Hello guys, hope we are doing well. Welcome to English Can, your ultimate destination to learn this beautiful language effectively. Guys, in this video we have taken a very interesting phrase for you and we will discuss what's its meaning and how to use the same in a sentence. It is there on your screen. Check it out. Yes, are the drop of a heart. Are the drop of a heart. So guys, what is the meaning of are the drop of a heart? Whenever you do something at the drop of a heart, it indicates you do it immediately without stopping to think about the consequence. You are not hesitant without stopping to think about the consequence, about the result. You are doing it. That means you are doing it in haphazardly, without proper planning, without stopping to think the consequence. You are doing something that is called at the drop of a heart. So again I am repeating, at the drop of a heart means suddenly, or whenever you do something, at the drop of a heart, it means you do it immediately without stopping to think about the consequence of what exactly you are doing. So guys, I'm just giving an example. Suppose your friend Peter is not happy with the company he is working, and suppose you are there and he went to the boss and put the resignation right away. You can say Peter went to the boss and put in the paper or put the paper or put the resignation letter at the drop of a hat, because Peter doesn't have a job at hand right now. So without getting a new job, he put the resignation letter. So I mean to say that here at the drop of a heart is normally used whenever somebody does something almost immediately without stopping to think the consequence of it. So guys, hope this small video, through this small video we have discussed the phrase at the drop of a heart, how to use it, and like in a sentence. So if you like or if you appreciate our effort to improve your communication skill, please like and share English Can. I'll come up with a new video next time. Till then, bye, take care.